Alright, what's up? Welcome back to the channel and welcome from Tokyo. We just got off the Tokyo station. We're gonna find our hotel for the night. We're only here one night today, and then tomorrow we go to Osaka. But first impressions, super clean. Alright, in case you're wondering what, I think it was like maybe $70 in Tokyo looks like. It's small, it's really small, but it's perfect. You got the slippers, the view of Paris, well really of Tokyo, and over here the piece de resistance. Look at that. Alright, first stop in Tokyo, obviously 7-Eleven.
There's only one egg.
I think we're about to eat there under this rail. Watch it. But it's a bunch of street food. I think we're gonna eat in there. This is Eric eating his Family Mart
Grilled bacon sushi. Grilled bacon sushi.
That's what it is. We got that after we just ate dinner. There's like a million taxis in Tokyo. Even in areas where nobody's out here, it's like a ghost town out here. And look at all the taxis. It's only taxis on the road. There's nobody else. So as you can see, the club was kind of dead. I think we're gonna just like basically call it a night. Eric's trying to go to a Mexican club right now, or a Mexican restaurant right now, and get steak at like 1:30 a.m. Alright, welcome to our first full day in Japan. I didn't really vlog a whole lot last night just because like the jet lag, we didn't know what we were doing. It was just like a whole thing. So it really starts today. We're on our way to Tokyo Station right now. We're taking the bullet train to Osaka. Alright, so on the little travel guide we've been using, it said to arrive to the station like an hour early because like you will get lost. But I don't get lost. We didn't get lost. We're here. It's calm. I just bought some food. I'll show you in a second. I have no idea what I just bought. Alright, I got a green tea. This is extremely hot. I just tried drinking it and it like burned my mouth. So they do hot green tea in there. Got some chips. I saw the person in line get this in front of me, so I was like, I should probably do what he does and copy him. So I got that. It's spicy cod roe. And I have no idea what this is, but the picture looked pretty good. So let's see. Alright, spicy cod roe. I'm gonna get another. I left my trash on the train. I'm such a jerk. I feel like such a jerk. I feel like I'm about to be thrown out of this country for leaving trash. All right, I'm buying my first beer from a vending machine. It says they accept 1,000. Which one should I go for? Dry Asahi, Kirin beer. What's the difference between these two? There is a difference. I don't know what it is. I'm gonna pick. That's a cool can. Maybe I'll pick that one. Or should I go for these big ones? No, I'm gonna stick with one of these. I'm gonna go with Highball. So I just got that Highball, and an old man came up to me at the vending machine, and he told me to buy a higher volume or a higher alcohol percentage one. He was like, nah, the one you got isn't high enough. And then I bought the 5% one. And then he had me buy the 7% one. And then he took me around the corner and he showed me a 9% one. And he was like, this is the one. I was like, why wouldn't you just show me that one in the first place? And here we are. This is luxury. What do you think, Eric? He calls top bunk. You heard him first. And then let's see our view of Paris. The park. Not bad for $200 for 5 nights. Not too shabby at all. Suntory Highball. Oh my goodness. This might be the worst thing I've ever tried out of a can. It's better. Update. I think the jet lag started really kicking in. We fell asleep at like 6 p.m. or something. And what was just supposed to be a quick little rest before we went out, it's now past midnight. Update, it's 1:30 a.m. There's not much going on, and the tiredness is wearing off. I'm not as tired anymore now that it's 1:30. Awesome. So I decided to walk to the 7-Eleven. All right, hello and good morning. Our first full morning in Osaka. So today we're getting ready. It's about like 8 a.m. right now. We are not sleeping in because of the time difference. We're gonna go to Dotonbori, which is like a shopping area kind of during the day, and then at night it turns into like the bar scene. Right next to Dotonbori there's Shenshabashi, and that's also like known for shopping and stuff during the day, so we're probably gonna hit those two during the day. I'll show you guys that. A little bit down the road from there is Namba, which is a little bit more upscale. We might pass through it, but probably not as much purchasing over there. I'm already hungry. The 7-Eleven has been helping, but I'm looking for more street food. Osaka is known as the street food capital of Japan. Honestly, it's the food capital of Japan. Another day, another vending machine trip, and this might be the best apple juice I've ever had in my entire life. It looks like it's made for 6-year-olds, but I don't care. This is miso dango, or whatever that is. Not bad. When I exchanged my money to come here, I got a bunch of 2,000 yen notes. And I learned the other night that 2,000 yen notes are like extremely rare. So now anywhere I go and I spend a $2,000 yen, they look at me and they're like, oh. I'm thinking this is like pork skin, maybe? Or maybe intestine skin. It's pretty good though. That's good. So basically, this is like the meeting of the waters. Right there is Shinsaibashi. Dotonbori is right there, basically on this side. Over there's Bashi Suji, and this canal is what separates everything. I think your boy is gonna buy a new watch. I usually don't like shopping, but already today I bought 2 shirts, a windbreaker, and 2 watches. It just does something to you when you're here. It's fun. They have everything, and it's so much better than back home. Once again, I ordered something, just not at all knowing what it was. And I don't know what this bun is. It's some sort of like pancake, onion, scallion, but it looks good. I think it's safe to say we had a pretty successful shopping spree. What do you think? It was getting a little warm out here, so I had to buy some ice, you know? All right, the first day's load. Adidas windbreaker, Playboy. I don't know this brand, but it looks pretty cool. Japan scarf. Stickers. Casio bracelet, and a 6-pack of Asahi Super Dry. Okay, first night out in Osaka. What we got here? What we got here? We got the new Casio drip. We got the new Casio watch. Okay, what we got on the right wrist? Oh my goodness, look at that. All right, and then we got the new shirt, the new Playboy shirt. Oh, Osaka's not ready for tonight. Eric has been taken by Japanese babushka. Good morning, it's the next day. I didn't go home last night. I just left the club. It's a little bit after 5 a.m. The sun is now up. People are out and about. It's actually all the people who went out last night. This is how it works in Japan. The trains end at 12, the next one starts at 5. So basically, if you commit yourself to going outside, you stay out until 5. Alright, we're out and about. It's about 2 p.m. We finally just left the place, but we're gonna go to Namba Osaka Shrine, and then later we're going to Mino Falls to get a view of the city, and there's like a waterfall there and everything. In case you were wondering, I got 2 sushi rolls, 2 barbecue eel, 2 octopus tempura, and one more thing. Oh well, green tea. All of that was for I'm trying to do the math in my head, like $15. So obviously the way we learn history in the West is very Eurocentric. I looked into it a little bit, and it said that this shrine goes back to the 4th century, to the year 330. Guys, I think this might be the greatest day of my life. I have to be so honest with you. I think that was the greatest 30 minutes of my entire life. Smoked pork tongue, whatever that is, something, and pastrami beef. Good eats. If you don't get lost and you don't have old Japanese men laughing at you, did you even go to Japan? When in Osaka's Koreatown, you get soju. Alright, good morning. But well, I guess it's not really morning anymore. It's past noon, but from kind of a rainy Osaka, we just bought this alcohol for no other reason other than to go into our favorite Japanese old man's liquor store and say bye to him. We went in, I used Translate, I told him it's our last day. Such a great guy. The game plan for today, first we're going to Nintendo, and then I think we're gonna go to the aquarium, which is apparently one of the largest in the world. So join us. Broiled conger eel, and who knows, just assorted seared. Cow heart, Ichigo top sirloin, and beef lungs. The bag is secured. What's up, everybody? We're back at the Airbnb. We just figured out our bus tickets for tomorrow. We're traveling cheap, so tomorrow we got a 9-hour bus ride from Osaka back to Tokyo. So really, all we're gonna do tonight is just chill, rest, pack our things, and prepare for the long journey to Tokyo tomorrow. On a side note, we bought Nintendo Switches, and that's probably how I'm going to keep myself entertained for the night. Who needs to go downtown in Osaka when you have a Nintendo Switch, am I right? But yeah, so until the morning, see you guys then.